this video I will show you how to protect your API with Half, and for that I will need to use the Half and get the ID user. Actually, now I need to change this. So when you authenticate in the page, you generate an authentication with the user information, and that is what I need. So in this case I will check if the user is authenticated, and I will not use this. If he's not, I will abort and show an error 403. Okay, if it logged in, it will save the command here to destroy. I will do the same. I will check if he's logged in. If he's not, I will abort anyways. So I think that's it for now. I just need, let me test this. Okay, nothing is not working. I have an internal, okay, maybe it's because I'm not logged in. Let me see if I can log in. Okay, let me open this. Okay, I'm logged in. Let me see if I can add a comment now. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's because I don't have the class Half. So let me add the class Half and check again. Okay, still the error. Probably is because I'm not sending the exactly. I have middleware here in my route, so let me add middleware Half API. So this protects the routes. So every route you use this, you need to have a valid logged in, and then you gain access to them. So let me see. Okay, now I get unauthorized. I have the passport here. Maybe I need to install it. I'm not sure if it's installed. Let me install it and see the result. Okay, composer require Laravel Passport. Okay, it's installed and I'm still get unauthorized. Let me see. Okay, still the error. Still have this error. I don't know why. Let me check if I'm logged in. Yes, I am. Okay. Probably this in my kernel I'm not getting a new token. Let me see. Yeah. So I need to add this middleware create fresh API token. Sometimes you need to clear your cache also, and your config variables, and generate new tokens and keys. So let me see. Okay, it's working. So that's it.